Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro video. So today we are going to be doing something different. I'll be rating Vegas Pro 18 and we're just going to be comparing it to Vegas Pro 17. So let's open up Vegas Pro 18. So I just recently got it. It's not actually the full version, it's a trial version. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna buy it yet. So the question today we'll be trying to answer is, do you need to upgrade from Vegas Pro 17 to 18 as a beginner? So we're just gonna go through some editing steps in Vegas Pro 18 and we're gonna just compare it to Vegas Pro 17 and we're gonna conclude if we need to upgrade. So this is Vegas Pro 18. Right off, it looks like Vegas Pro 17. Like the interface looks the same. Probably this changed. We didn't have this in Vegas Pro 17. Let's go to the video effects and let's see. Okay, so we have changes here. We see this section is more organized, so they put it into sections. Okay, that's something new. Okay, they also did that in the media generator too. So just basic things, nothing very important. Let's edit. Oh, one more thing, let's go to transitions, since something we are going to be using. Okay, transitions still the same, just different layout. I mean, don't really see anything new, but obviously there will be some things that were upgraded that I don't know about. But I know like the tracking motion thing was upgraded, but it's not something I use that much, and it's not something we would need to use that much. But yeah, so let's edit a video with some background music, which is this. So we're just gonna edit something simple, not long. We're gonna add some transitions, not gonna make it that long. We'll leave it up about 50 seconds. So let's add some transition. First of all, let's do a fade in. So do a fade in. Yep. Probably 4 seconds is okay. Then we are gonna add a nice transition. Let's look for something simple. Okay, I could use this. So you just add your transition. Let's further this a little bit. Okay. We're gonna add a transition here, and maybe we're just gonna cut this clip, shorten it to like 40 seconds. Don't want to waste your time. Wipes, no. Let's look for something else. And by the way, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are keeping safe and just getting some daily motivations. You really need it. These are some hard times where we need to motivate ourselves and take care of our mental health. Really matters. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's get back to the video. Okay, I think I'll choose something from gradient wipe. Let's choose this heart. Yeah, and that's good. And we're just gonna add a fade out at the end, something a little bit longer, and we're pretty much done. Just to add our background music. So I'm sure you guys see this, the build, reverse, tempo, drop. I think this is something new, but it's something useful. We could use this. So basically Vegas Pro 18 processes your audio file and indicates where you have the tempo, your verse, where your beat builds and where your beat drops. So it does that across the whole audio file, which is something that's good, but it's not that useful honestly. So we're just gonna shorten this S to cut, and we're gonna delete this, add some fade in, and add a little bit of a fade out. And let's just preview our video. Okay, so let's watch the video. The editing workflow is the same as Vegas Pro 17. Like, it's pretty much the same, although there were some added things that we don't yet know, but I believe we don't really need to know. Vegas Pro 17 is enough for us. So to end this video, I would say if you have an older version, or if you have something like Vegas Pro 17, Vegas Pro 16, I think you don't need to upgrade to Vegas Pro 18. If you have the money, of course you can do that. Nobody's controlling you. If you don't, I would advise you to stick with what you have. You're not missing out on anything. And for people who are just starting, that don't have the software or considering to buy the software, I would say if you have the money, buy it. If you don't, go for something cheaper. You don't need the latest software. Everything would be good for you. Vegas Pro 15, it's not too old, you could still get that. Vegas Pro 16, 17, I would definitely recommend those two. They're the best for now. I'm still using Vegas Pro 17. I have Vegas Pro 18, but it's the trial version. I'm still testing out some few things. If I really want to change, I might probably not change this year. Probably, I don't know yet. But it depends on you guys. If you guys want me to start creating content that involves Vegas Pro 18, probably I might change. But for now, I believe you should stick with what you have. So will I do. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also share to people who you think might like this type of content. And I will try to post more often. I know I've been really bad at that, but I'll try to do that. And my next video should be on keyframing. That might be the last episode of keyframing, and then probably we're gonna move to masking. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helped you in any way. See you in my next video. Peace out.